Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional. Not in today's newspaper, no, it's the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, July the 2nd, 2022, because today it's actually Sunday and we don't receive any newspaper. And we have one unsolved puzzle, letter Sudoku, and we have two puzzles left. Sudoku with 2 stars and tectonic with 1 star. All right. This will be number 4794. Before I start, I always count up 20 digits. This one has 24 printed digits. No, 26 printed digits. Okay, for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit, so let's get started. And the 4 in the last row, the 4 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4. Well, cannot continue with the 4. Need to wait. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 9. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Okay. Then 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. No. Almost. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Now I can count, and all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 8, 7, 8, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Yeah, 8, 8. Well, we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the first column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 8, 8. So now we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. So 1 box left in the first column should be the number 1. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in the third column? The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. 6, 8, 9. Okay. How about the 2 then? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Ooh, 6, 6, 8, 8, 7, 7. Here can be 7. There can be 7. This should be it. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. Well, the 7, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. Here also a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers now, the 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9, we have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 8, 8. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see here 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9 and 8. Yeah. We have a pair here. 8, 8. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. All right. 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 and a 9 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes, and a 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 8 and the 9 goes in these 3 boxes, 8 and the 9. We have 8 and 9 in the last column, so no 8 and 9 in this box. So the 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. Here 1 in this column, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 in the 6, 3 in the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Okay. 1, 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 7, 8, and 9. 6 and 9. Okay. The 1, the 2, and the 7. 7, 7. Yeah. 3 missing numbers. Wait, 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in this column, so no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so no row below. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, 7. Now I cannot continue with the 7, 3, and a 6. Okay. Let me see. The 1 in this row, the 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the row above, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. And we have a pair, 2 and a 7 in this column, 2 and a 7 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row for number 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and an 8. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, the 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there, so 1 box left in this row for number 6, 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 8 and the 6, 8 and the 6, we have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 and more, that box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3. This box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more, that box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more, that box should be 6, and this box should be 9. Alright, almost finished. We have here 2 boxes left in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 it goes there. Alright. Then. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers of the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have 8 here. So this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8. This box should be a 9. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Yes, finished. I'm pleased. We have solved this. Yeah, between 15 and 20 minutes. Definitely 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 1 star. Yeah, I'm not pleased with the previous puzzle. Still unsolved. Well, look. You think 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. There should be the 5. Well, it's not true, the 5 here. The E, because it's not the right letter. Well, I will continue with the next puzzle. Alright, thank you again. Bye bye for now.